My name is Timitayo Oni. I'm graduate from Rema Tapping and my college I was just looking at the features of the TestDriller application until I found the UTME challenge feature. My actual score in the UTME was 339. The UTME challenge helped me by drilling me and helping me to learn and compete with other people. The dictionary feature in the application was very useful to me, and the favorite feature in the application was the educational games. The educational games feature was my favorite because anytime I'm stressed out from maybe when I get back from school, I can just use the feature because it is fun to use and it helps me not to while away time while preparing for the UTME. I want to especially appreciate TestDriller for helping me and my fellow students during the preparation for the UTME by providing questions for us to practice. I want to also thank them for the prize that they have given me. I pray that God will bless them, and I also want to thank my mom. I want to thank my teachers, Mr. Bakayode, Mr. Fakwe, Mr. Johnson, and Mr. Israel, for also helping me during the practice by drilling me and my friends during the preparation for UTME. And I also thank, like I said, I thank my mother too for also helping me during the preparation. She would tell me to practice all the years multiple times until I get it right. And for the students who would want to write UTME, that is JAMB, I want to also encourage them to use the TestDriller application during their preparation because it has many features that would help them to succeed for UTME.